Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to apply for Robinhood Gold Credit Card. So yeah guys, before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I am on the official website. So to apply for the Robinhood Gold Credit Card, you'll first need to join the waitlist. So you can just click on these green words that say join the waitlist, and you'll get a confirmation email once you have joined the waitlist, and they'll let you know as soon as you can apply. So you'll receive an email and a push notification from your Robinhood app once you are able to apply for the Robinhood Gold Credit Card. So after that, just go to your Robinhood application and select get the gold card to open the to start your application. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.